Hi everyone! In this video, I'll show you how to create amazing videos using ChatGPT and PixVerse. With ChatGPT, you can easily write your script, and with PixVerse, you can turn that script into a beautiful AI-generated video. Step 1. Let's use ChatGPT to generate a script. You can ask ChatGPT to write about any topic you want, like education, science, storytelling, or even product promotion. Example, type, give me short script with settings where the man is shocked by what the animals are doing. No dialogue from the animals, just the man reacting in shock. Copy the generated script. Step 2. Prepare PixVerse for video creation. Next, we'll move to PixVerse. PixVerse is an AI video generator where you can paste your script and select the style you want for your video. Open PixVerse website app. Create a new project. From here, we may use their ready-made template or create our own. Press plus sign to create new AI video. We can see three options here. The first is text to video, second is the templates, and the last one is image to video. For me, I press text to video. Paste the script from ChatGPT. After that, press create. Wait for 1 minute until the video is finished. Once the video is ready, review it. If you're happy with the results, click download or export. Now, you have a ready-to-use video for YouTube, social media, or presentations. And that's it. You've just learned how to create videos using ChatGPT and PixVerse. ChatGPT helps you write the perfect script, and PixVerse brings it to life. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more AI tutorials.